Now let's move on to know the parts of a plant. The parts of a plant. Yes, as we identify plants, plants have many different parts, and some of these parts are below. We have the leaves, the stem, the branch, the root, fruit, and flowers. Plants have different parts with different uses and importance. The parts of plants consist of the leaf, the stem, branch, root, flower, and fruit. Now let's look at this plant and identify the parts of the plant. Look at this plant over here, yeah. Then we identify the parts of the plant. Now let's look at this. We have beautiful colored thing over here. Can you guess what it is? Yes, they are the flowers of the plant. The flowers of the plant. We have another beautiful colored something here. Can you guess what it is? Of course, it's the fruit of the plant. This is a tomato plant. So, of course, this is a tomato fruit. That's a tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. So, it's the fruit of the plant. So, let's move on to this green object or things we see. They are the leaves of the plant. They are the leaves of the plant. Now, look at something here. The arrow pointing shows the stem of the plant. This is the stem of the plant. We can also see something holding the leaves. It's the branch. That is the branch. The branches of the plant. Now, down here we can see these ones are the roots of the plants. That is what we see in the soil when you uproot a plant. The roots are in the soil. Now let's try and remember what we have learned if we can identify the parts of this plant, the parts of this plant. Now when you look at this plant, where can we see the stem? Yes, here is the stem. We can see the stem over here. We can also locate the leaves here. So here is the leaf. Here is the leaf. The fruit, yes, this is a different plant. Of course, it's an orange plant. So the fruit or the oranges, that's the fruit of the plant. You can also see it over here. Now, the branch. You can see the branch too. Here is also the branch. And finally, the roots down there.